Drinking small amounts of baking soda is not usually dangerous. However, drinking large amounts of baking soda is dangerous and it is not suitable for long-term use. Some people claim that drinking baking soda is generally beneficial for health. However, there is little scientific evidence to support this. Baking soda is an alkaline substance that can neutralize excess stomach acid. In small amounts, it provides temporary relief from indigestion and works in a similar way to over-the-counter indigestion remedies. However, using large amounts of baking soda as a home remedy has some risks, including poisoning, toxicity in children, ruptured stomach, and interference with medications. The Canadian Society of Intestinal Research say that baking soda can affect how the body absorbs medications. Depending on the medication a person takes, this could cause a wide range of adverse effects. The NCPC recommend using OTC indigestion products rather than making at-home remedies. When it is not possible to purchase an OTC product, using baking soda is a potential short-term alternative. However, it is important to speak with a doctor before trying this. Baking soda contains sodium, which in high amounts can affect the heart. One 2016 case study notes that overdosing on baking soda has caused heart arrhythmias for some individuals. There have also been cases of baking soda overdoses causing cardiac arrest. This occurs when the heart suddenly stops pumping blood, which can be fatal. However, although scientists know that taking too much baking soda is harmful for the cardiovascular system, it is unclear whether or not it raises the risk of a heart attack. People with cardiovascular disease and those who need to avoid salt for medical reasons should avoid using baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. Now let's talk about the effects of baking soda on people who have ulcer. Baking soda as well as OTC antacids can temporarily relieve the symptoms of stomach ulcers. However, antacids are not a cure for stomach ulcers. This is because stomach ulcers are most often a result of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Antacids, including baking soda, can prevent antibiotics from working. While a person receives ulcer treatment, a doctor can prescribe other drugs such as proton pump inhibitors to reduce stomach ulcer symptoms and allow the ulcer to heal. The primary benefit of drinking baking soda is for the temporary relief of indigestion or heartburn. There is also evidence to suggest that it may reduce muscle fatigue during athletic training. One 2020 meta-analysis found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation does improve muscle endurance but not muscle strength. This was true for participants who took sodium bicarbonate in both resting and fatigued states. A randomized double-blind study from 2017 source also found evidence to suggest that sodium bicarbonate improved performance among trained runners. However, the study was small and almost all the participants were male. People should not use sodium bicarbonate for fitness or health purposes without the supervision of a doctor.